Oy! Camp
Hi.
2.0 Part 2.
Part 2. 1 year later.
Kaya na, oh, hi!
Hello! Yan na naman.
May tubagdod na.
Vlog, Ben. Vlog.
Hi guys, are you ready? Yes! Let's go! Confusion ba? Confusion. Say hi. Mga ate. Yo. Uy.
Oh, tamo kasha. Yung talaga pag sexy nagkakasha. Yes.
Ito yung view.
Smell of grass.
Nature.
Yeah.
Hello.
And ayos na.
Who is in here? Hello. Ganda.
Welcome to our abode. Wow, may pa ganon.
What the hell? Where we are?
Ayun yung paakit niya.
Yo! What the hell? Gagawin natin yan bukas. Yo! I didn't bring mine. Ay, ang cute.
My what?
Tingnan mo, ang cute oh.
Ay, cute.
We took pictures there and
6
there.
a.m. daw open na yan.
Guna. Ba't may eyeliner ka?
5:30 start ng breakfast. Because I want to.
Sige. Kape time. At kumain ng chips.
Ito ano?
Hello everybody.
Hi.
Oh my god, hello. All of you. Hello. Cup noodles time.
And coffee.
Wow! I don't know if that's good or bad.
Nalimutan mong sabihin doon.
Ay, dos!
Sorry, hindi ko
So, may penalty na.
Hindi ko naman alam eh.
Dalawa ba?
Okay.
Dos.
Dos.
Aray, ang sakit! Nahulog, grabe!
Bakit
Dalawa na naman tayo!
Yan.
Hello everyone. Kain na po.
Kain tayo ng adobo ko. Adobo ni Elise.
Hello! Hello! How are you?
Pagkain mo daw?
Hello. Say hi to the camera. Marshmallow toasting time. Ooh, look at that. Pam. Look here. Wow. Tingin nga. Wow.
Hindi, dapat kasi on fire siya, tapos i-prepare.
Final na to. It's getting a bit hot na. Okay ba? Yes.
Masusunog yung akin.
Ba't yung tablang?
Kaya, okay nga, half and half eh, oh.
Ako naman yung ate mo.
Ang cute! Ang cute! Picture na natin, picture na natin. Ang cute.
If you can't handle the heat, use butane. You're welcome.
Time-lapse kayo? There's fog.
Sige, go, pasok na kayo.
It's fogging up. Kitang-kita dito yung fog oil.
Google na lang. Oo nga, it's possible na clouds ito.
Clouds!
Cloud
So
yan.
guys, we were proven wrong. We cannot float on clouds.
Ay. Ouch. Hi.
Hihilik yun.
Yummy. Happy breakfast. Happy breakfast. Coffee time. Luis. Nagbis na kami. Okay na yan siguro. Siyempre, I need to look good for you guys. Oh. What the hell? Gagawin natin yan bukas.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, go!
Ang sabi niya?
Wait, lads!
Straight legs!
Hands free!
Tapang! Yay!
Go! Oh my!
Umay lang?
Oh my!
Nauumay ka!
Si Lord nga, baka ang kukuha sa'yo.
Sarado na yung gate doon!
Hands free!
Hands free! Yay!
1, 2, 3, go! Hands free! 1, 2, 3, go! Dito lads po! Agoy!
Agoy! Isa pang agoy! Ah! Straight legs!
Hands free! 1, 2, 3, go!
Aba, walang oh my God. Oh, hands free agad!
Hands free agad!
Hands free agad!
Lalo pa yan! Akala mo, magaan ka lang ah. Parang may lalabas ah.
Lumabas ba? Lumabas?
Oh, iwan na natin to.
Tara na, tara na. Uwi na tayo, magtaho na tayo. Iwan na natin yan.
Taho na tayo.
Pam, ropes course complete. Yeah.
Recommend.
Recommend.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Wow, nakaantas ng araw, be. Going to falls. Bosay Falls, I think. Hello. Hello. Kaway dito. Hi. It's so cold, my God. Three, two, one, go! 2, 1, go! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! 2, 1, jump! Go! Yo! Yo, 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 yo. Sakit sa calves.
Nakala pa. Ganda rin yan, di ba?
There's
Pero
also
stairs
something.
nga lang. Yung sa likod ng tent natin, ang daming ganyan.
Okay pa tayo. Go guys. Saan ba papunta? Hindi eh.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow.
Oh, good Lord. Is that where we're going? Wala. Legs. Legs cardio. Ano? Oh, nasanay ako eh. Yay!
15 minutes rest.
Finish line. Tingnan mo itong dalawang to. We are close to checkout and I guess it's about time we say good. Okay, the gang's all here.
Anything else?